Hello everyone, today we'll talk about Dynamo DB. It's a service from AWS. Like as we know, it's a like schema-less database. For example, if we have MongoDB, so we don't need to make a schema for tables like relational database, MySQL that we have. We need to make a schema for them and only the record if you want to add a recording to that. So it should be according to the schema. But this is a different basically different process in MongoDB or DynamoDB. They are kind of same, but MongoDB is considered as a itself a database, but DynamoDB is also a database, but it is service provided by the AWS. So now let's more dive into this. So it's a serverless. Serverless meaning we don't need to create server over here. Like if you know about MySQL, so we need to create server and manage it. If server is off, then we can't do anything with the local. If we are working in the local host, so we can't do anything if server is off. But it's a completely different, like Amazon AWS itself manages the creating server or managing server, like the spikes that we have, like someone is visiting a single product, like many user visiting a single product, so that can basically hamper database to send each one images. So that is all that all things are handled by AWS itself. So that's why it's known as serverless, so like serverless. Also, now another benefits like we have it's single millisecond performance. Like in the relation database like MySQL, PostgreSQL, for which we use SQL for fetching data from them. So when the server server have too much load, so query take process, and that will basically make a user performance uh, user like feel uncomfortable with the site or whatever app you are using there. So that's not the case in the DynamoDB. There is auto scaling happens. AWS itself manages how to when to scale. We just need to pay for what we use. We don't need to provision before, like we want 10,000 user, so that 10 users can work simultaneously without ca- crashing the app or database. So this is where Amazon this DynamoDB works here. So now let's talk about the another part.